Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsuspend TikTok account. If your TikTok account has been suspended, you can try the following steps to unsuspend. And you need to first check your notification, open your TikTok app, and on the inbox, you need to tap on there. And you need to check if you have received any notification regarding for the suspension. The notification may provide details about why your account was suspended and how you can appeal the suspension. Or you could also submit an appeal. What you have to do is on the bottom right corner, there's this profile icon, select there. And after that, on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Tap on that again and go to the settings and privacy. And after that, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom. And over here, we could see under the support and about option, we could see the report a problem. Tap on that option. And after that, we could see facing a problem, and we need to scroll again. And in the bottom, we could see there's a submit a report option. What you have to do is just fill out the form with your account details and description of the issue. Explain that your account has been suspended and request assistance in unsuspending. And after that, you can submit the form. Tap on the submit after you fill out the form. And after that, you need to wait for the response. After submitting an appeal or contacting TikTok support, you'll need to wait for TikTok to review your case. TikTok will usually send an email to the address associated with your account regarding the status of your appeal. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.